Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a white version of the Honda NSX number 43. So this is the limited color version. The normal color is red, so here is the white version. This one is from 2016, as you know by the 16 over here, and here again, K16. So let's take a look at the car inside. Never actually opened this one yet since I got it a few days back. I think yesterday. Yep, yesterday. And over here we can see the car. I think I may have done the red one before, not too sure, but now I have the white one as well. Over here for our front light, we can see it, well, isn't a smooth little dash. It, well, rather are squares. So we have little silver squares coming all the way down to right around the front right there, and continues on the other side. Pretty neat. I didn't really notice this on the red one, so I guess I have to check that one again. For the front right here, we have a little silver lip coming down, and, well, a completely black front grille, which has another little notch right here. Front air vents, black as well, with outlined in white. Really, really neat. And the front bumper is black on top and white below. So really, really cool. All the details for the front, and, well, there are still more details to the car. So apart from the Honda logo on the front, right on the center of this little notch right there, hopefully you can see it, we have some air vents on both sides, as well as chromeless wheels. So in the chromeless wheels, they don't really look that bad, but still pretty plain, I guess, because now it's just black. Kind of suits the top of the car right there, which I guess is supposed to represent gray carbon. So it's not exactly black. This is supposed to be gray carbon with, again, two notches. For the side, you have the air vent right here, also in black, and the doors don't open. For the side, same details, and yeah, the door doesn't open as well. And, well, your petrol cap right here. Pretty faintly detailed, but yeah, they got it in there. As well as your little fancy details on the side right here. Little fancy panel, both sides actually. And coming to the back of the car, we have another lip right here. Not really a spoiler, not really a wing, I could say. Maybe just a director. Well, which just directs the air upwards. Not really wing. Hopefully they would put a wing on here someday. Or maybe a Tomica event model or something. But anyway, for the back Honda logo, it is silver as well in the middle of a notch. And another overhanging lip of red. Don't ask me what that's for. And the rear lights. So these are two tempos, one of red outline and one silver for the inside. The red, obviously, for stopping and brakes, and the silver, well, not too sure, because why would there be silver at the back of the car? So maybe let me know down in the comments, and I just noticed a bit of stuff messed up right there. I'll get that cleaned up, hopefully, or I don't know what to do. Anyway, yeah, I think this one, yeah, this one's just like some extra tempo, so I'm just gonna scrape that off. That will come off. And anyway, over here we have some back grills. So we have this plastic, not die-cast. This part is plastic, and this is plastic too. So this is all black, while the rest of the back is white. For the back bumper right here, it's plastic and completely black. Now for the underside of the car, it's a complete disappointment because it's blank. No details at all. All we have is like the 2016, the Tomica, the name made in Vietnam, but I mean, at least they should have like the axles or the exhaust or something, right? I mean, come on, seriously, a completely blank base when it comes to the details of the cars. That is an absolute no-no when it comes to these die-cast cars. I mean, even Hot Wheels and other brands details all their cars well, underneath of the cars, right? Even though they're fantasy castings, they still detail it. And here we have Tomica, who just leaves an NSX completely blank. So yeah, good job on that. Completely sarcastic. Anyway, yeah, guess that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.